Okay, so scrolling down. Okay, event, احنا قلنا عايزين event.key. Okay, oh here it is. Okay, it says this is the key event parameters. Definition at line 244, so I guess let's just click here and see what happens. Where is it? Key event key, there it is. Okay, let me click on this. It says it's of type key event. If I want to see what things this can take, I'll click on this. Okay, so it says in my event.key, and when I type event.key, I want to know what things I can have passed here. I guess this is them. You can have code. What is code? It says the code of the key that has been pressed. Oh, what codes can they be? I'll also read more about this. You know what I mean? Alt, okay, فهنا, oh cool, it tells you if the shift key has been pressed. It's a boolean that returns that. If I do مثلا event.key.shift, that's going to give me a boolean to say is the shift key pressed. But obviously I want to work with code. And notice code returns keyboard of key. So whatever event.key.code returns is going to be of this type. Let's see what types of things this can take. Oh, A, B, C. Cool. Ana Aiza, I want to check on the escape key. I'll just go down and down and down and down. And I'll look for the escape key. Where is the escape key? I'll keep scrolling. Has to be here somewhere. I'll just control find it. Okay, here it is. You just type escape like that. There it is. Keyboard escape. I hope that makes sense. So basically we're saying if my event type is a key pressed and the key that was pressed is the escape key, then close my window. But that's that. Of course, طبعا if I want to make a game, which we'll do hopefully in the other videos when I take a real example or anything, I'll want to say if event.key.type is a key pressed and the key.code is the left key. بعدين I'll open my documentation and see the syntax for the left. Oh, here it is, so it'll be left. Then I'll do whatever I need to do in my code. Probably I'm going to be updating some of my variables here. فبس. Yeah. So after, again, within this main while loop, after I'm done with this while loop where I take care of the events, where I respond to things that the user has done and I try to detect them like a key press, like a mouse click, stuff like that, then I'm going to clear my screen. Just something you have to do. You have to like clear the screen عشان لما حاجة تتحرك. Like if you had something on there, if you had like a circle on there, and someone pressed left and you want to move the circle to the left, you have to clear the screen so that it can be redrawn in the new position. You just have to call this method at this point. Past this while loop, you have to do this. But if I had something of the things that I initialized for that I want to draw onto the screen, عشان يبانوا, I have to draw them here and we'll take an example next. Finally, I have to do my window.display, and that's it. That is the skeleton for an SFML. Like anytime you do any project or anything, you build upon this framework, if that makes sense. But let's take an example.